I have a lot of clients even outside of real estate, and they're like, okay, well, I want to do 1 million a month. And I'm like, okay, well, what product do you have to make $1 million a month? Well, I have a $15 this. Well, do you know how much you got to sell $15 of to make, you know what I'm saying? So I think we
Yeah.
really need to start orchestrating and engineering what that is. And so for you, I think that one, it's not the fact that you don't know how to identify or evaluate the deal. I think that I again, it's a lot of us, it's overcomplicating the process. Again, one,
Mhm.
knowing what all of the expenses are, knowing what all of your costs are, and then knowing what the actual revenue from that particular deal is. Now, here's the other thing: every single deal isn't a
Mhm.
deal, or you have to
Right.
identify what's a deal for you. So, take for example, like a major hedge fund, they're okay with breaking even on a deal, or they're okay with a 2% negative on a deal because they're playing the long term game
Right.
versus somebody who's new in real estate. They may be thinking that they're going to make $700 to $1,000 per door after expenses, and that's not the case in all instances, especially if you're not buying a deal below market value. Does that